How to fix a Lenovo laptop that won't turn on or charge. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple different steps that'll help you fix a Lenovo laptop that won't charge, it won't turn on, and it just has a black screen like this. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So there's a couple different things that can cause this issue on your laptop, but the first step I would take to try to fix it is unplug everything from the device. So if you have an HDMI cable or USB cables, or with this laptop, I'm going to just remove the charging cable. So remove everything that's plugged in from the laptop. And then once everything has been unplugged, go ahead, find the power button. On this computer, it's up here. It looks like that, but it might be in a different position on your Lenovo laptop. Once you find the power button, hold it down for 10 to 15 seconds, and we're going to do what's called a hard reset. So don't worry, this does not affect the files on your computer. It's just going to force it to restart. It might turn on during this process or flash on the screen. Just keep holding it down. And then once you've done it for 15 seconds, let go. And then now we're ready to plug the charger back into the computer. If your charger looks like this, where it has a box that gets plugged into, make sure that that's properly connected. Once you plug it back in, all you need to do is find the power button again, hold it down for 2 to 3 seconds, just a short press. And all this is going to do is just make it turn back on. It may take a little bit longer because we did the hard reset, but it should start to boot up like this. And then once it boots up, you can log in and start using it again. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.